back to the channel. I'm Hank Strange. We're at the 2022 Overland Expo East in Virginia. And of course, we've done a WanderBox video already when we were at Flagstaff. And this was just like, what stage was this in then, Mike?
So this was probably about 60 to 70% of the way done.
Okay.
Back in Flagstaff.
Yeah.
We've gotten a lot more done with it
since then.
Now, so, yeah.
Yes. So we're going to do a quick follow-up to that. Hey everyone, a new VanNoisSeur T-Shirt design is out, just in time for the winter season. It's called Winter Camping Fun. Even here in the Sunshine State, it feels a lot like winter. If you're a fan of outdoor life, then this is a great way to give someone you care about a gift or get something for yourself and support this channel at the same time. All you have to do is follow the link here on YouTube, just below the video description to the Strangerpalooza store, where you will find this Winter Camping Fun design and other fun, cool Strangerpalooza gear. Follow up to that, we've got Mike. He's back. He's still here, traveling around the world or the country. I don't know where you guys taking this thing.
Yeah, we've been to a couple shows since.
Okay, cool. All right, well, give us the run through, Mike. We're going to follow you. We want to see what you guys have done since then.
Yeah, certainly. So to start off, I mean, as you can see, we actually have wallpaper now.
Yeah, there's treatments on the walls. Oh, this is nice.
Yeah. So that's probably the most visible thing.
Yeah. This AC I don't think was here.
Correct. So yeah, we now have AC. These are the two wall units for our residential style AC unit that we offer. So yeah, I'd say those are the two of the three biggest things. With the third thing being the bathroom, which we'll show you in a sec. But yeah, we now have curtains up over this.
Yeah, the bed was here, but yeah, it didn't look as finished as, so you can section it off.
Yeah, and we also have like roof fence and all that great stuff.
Oh, you got those in, and I know before we couldn't see through here. Lola, you want to take a little peek in there, because you could go right through here. Yeah. So you don't have to get out of the vehicle, which is cool. Yeah. It looks like I could even fit through there.
Oh yeah, and the pass-through is definitely going to be a little bit bigger than the production ones.
Oh, it is? Okay.
Yeah, we've actually just started production.
Okay.
So, yeah. So
for folks out there who, like, how far are you from, if someone orders now, how far are you from delivery?
Yeah, so it's about 6 to 9 months, so figure end of spring, beginning of summer would be when delivery starts. Okay, cool. Yeah.
All right, so as we go through, I think the kitchen was pretty much set up, right?
Yeah.
Or was it?
Yeah, it was pretty much done up. We've done a few little things, like it's plumbed now.
Okay.
And we have the outlets working as well.
Okay.
So, but yeah, for the most part,
is this a dishwasher here?
Yeah. This is actually a trash compactor.
Trash compactor. Very cool.
Yeah. We do offer a dishwasher as well as this washer and dryer.
Yeah.
But yeah.
I think I went through the same thing. I thought it was like a dishwasher. Yeah. Oh, the bathroom is finished. That's awesome.
Yeah.
The lights. Yeah, the lights are on in here. Yeah. Take a look at that, Lola. Yeah. This will sell it to you right here. Completely done.
This is certainly the biggest change since Flagstaff. Yeah, we have the bathroom all done.
What kind of toilet is in here? Is this like an RV style toilet?
Yeah, so it's a Thetford. It's a ceramic flush pedal toilet. You know, some of them are plastic, and that's just it just sucks to use, you know.
Right.
So yeah, nice ceramic toilet, and then the shower is finished as well. You got a shower head in here that you can actually attach if you'd like.
Yeah, full size shower. This is awesome.
And then also a nice shower door.
Yes.
So, yeah.
There you go.
Yeah.
That is awesome, man. Amazing. Love it. That looks really good in here.
Hey, thank you.
And of course, the fridge was here.
Correct.
When we came.
Yep.
But the bedroom, we kind of had to look at pictures in order to see. I think the bed was here, but in order to see how it opens up and you have, you know, this office thing going, we didn't see that, because I think you can pretty much have like 2 office setups in here, right?
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So this is the desk. We have drawers on each side. And then this folds down, and you got your king-size bed.
Yeah. So you could just plug your laptop into this, have big screens.
Exactly.
You know.
If you guys want B-roll shots, I can show it, bringing it up and down.
Yeah.
It's just a bit of a hassle because we have some chains here. So if you want that,
Yeah, no, I can imagine. I could see the hinges and stuff like that, so I can see it's relatively easy. And then you can still get some storage under here if you want to.
Correct.
Right?
Yeah, so when this is down, you have these actually touch the floor. So you can fit like a small office chair or anything out here. And then behind that on the other side is actually some storage that you can access outside.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we probably, for anyone looking at this video that didn't see the other video, if you want to, go back and check that out on the channel. There's a lot of storage going on here, right? What price category are we looking at with something like this? Just tons of storage. I'm going to open up stuff. Did we have the skylight then?
Can't remember. No, I don't remember this.
Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah, so there's lots of storage here. So what are we looking? If someone were to order this,
yeah. So this exact spec runs about $550,000.
Okay.
The 35-foot model is starts at $460,000.
Okay, and that's obviously including the F650?
Yeah.
Yes.
It's an F600 chassis.
600, okay.
Yeah. So it includes the chassis. It includes 37-inch dually on all-terrain tires.
Right.
And the box, of course. And yeah, with the basic layout. And then, so we also now have a 32-foot version that starts at $420,000.
Okay.
And then a 29-foot version that starts at $380,000.
Oh, okay.
So that 29-foot version, we are looking to do a quad cab version of it as well. However, for now, we are doing the two-door version, regular cab, with a pass-through with seating in here. So yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah, you know what? I think if you want to have, like, if you really want it to be like home, and you want to have those conveniences, especially if you want to get out there and stay out there.
Yeah.
You know, this is a good way to go. Obviously, it costs a little bit more, but, you know, you get what you're paying for.
Exactly. You know, you have your off-road capability. You can take it off-road without, like, cabinets falling off the walls.
Yeah.
That's what this is built for.
Yeah,
you know?
It looks great. It looks great. The only question I have left for you is when do I get to borrow one of these, you know? Because the people out there really want to see me go out there for like a weekend, couple of days, you know, and live in it. So we got to work that out.
Yeah, we do.
Yeah.
Mike's like,
well, you're not giving an answer.
Mike's like, after we sell a few.
Yes. No, I know.
After I can take this out.
Right.
All right. Then we can.
Let's go. Let's do it. Me and you. We won't even bring Lola. You know, I'll take care. You take that bed over the cab.
Whoa, no, this is my
All right, Mike, so I think a lot of people want to know what kind of warranties you guys have on everything. Of course, you've got like a vehicle here, the chassis, you've got the whole structure, and then you have appliances and things like that inside.
Yeah, of course. So, first of all, we support like the Ford's powertrain warranty that they gave these from the factory. When it comes to stuff that we build, so we have a 15-year structural warranty, so that includes the subframe, how it mounts to the frame itself, that kind of stuff. We have a 10-year laminate warranty, so that includes the panels, how they're all mounted together and glued together. And then we support a 5-year warranty for everything else, like cabinets, all the mechanisms that we have in here, like the bed frame and that kind of stuff.
Right.
And then also, you know, like the warranty on the fridge and the washer-dryer combo, the trash compactor and the dishwasher. We support and will help service the warranties that those already have.
Oh, okay. So, well, basically, all that stuff is going to be the standard that whoever made it has, right?
Exactly. Yeah.
Oh, okay. So that'll be that. And then, so with the chassis of this from Ford, it'll be the typical thing from Ford, and then you can extend it and all that, right?
Yes.
Okay.
And so when it comes to like the appliances and such, we'll help
facilitate someone if they have issues.
Exactly.
Oh, okay.
So
they don't have to run those guys down. They can talk to you guys, and then you will do all the back and forth, make sure you get those warranties covered. Okay.
Yeah, we're going to be the ones talking to the supplier when it comes to the warranties stuff, where you don't need to call tech support and try and like deal with like 15-minute times, you know?
Yeah.
So,
okay, cool.
Yeah.
So for the folks looking at this, if they want to get more info, where do they go? How do they get that stuff?
Yeah, so you can go to www.wanderbox.com. You can also find us on social media at WanderBox Overland. And yeah, so we're on Instagram, we're on Facebook. We don't have
And
a TikTok yet.
Oh, okay.
But we do have a YouTube channel as well.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
And plus, you're getting around the country, so if folks want to see it,
Yep.
they can get to see it. People on the West Coast have seen it. Now you're on the East Coast, so
Yep.
there you go.
Yeah.
All right, guys. I hope you're enjoying this content. I wanted to do this quick follow-up with WanderBox, and we've got more coverage for you from the 2022 Overland East in Virginia. We're out of here.